Not sure about the difference between the mean and the median? Well, keep watching. We're going to explain it. Welcome to Math Bytes. I'm Allison. Today, we're comparing the mean and the median. The mean and the median are both ways to measure the center of a data set. So, what's the difference? Let's take a look at a couple of examples. I have a data set here, and we're going to find the mean and the median and compare them. To find the mean, I'm going to add up all the data points and divide by how many points I have. So in this case, my mean, x bar, is 305 divided by 9. I have 9 data points. And when I do that division, I find that my mean is 33.9. All right, to find the median, I first have to make sure my data set is in order, which it is, and then I just take the value out of the middle. The middle value here is 33, so the median is 33. Now, you'll notice my mean and median are quite close, and that makes sense. All of our data points are clustered in the 30s, so it makes sense that the mean and the median would be close together. But what if our data set changes a little bit? Let's look at that next. Okay, I have a new data set up here now, very similar to my previous one, but you'll notice I've got 3 extra data points and they're quite a bit lower than the others. So let's do the same thing. Let's find the mean and the median and compare them. All right, when I sum up all my data points to find the mean, I get 330. I'm dividing by 12 because I have 12 data points, and that gives me a mean of 27.5. Now, the median will be the value in the middle. In this case, I have an even number of data points. So there isn't one value in the middle, there are 2 values in the middle. So the median will be the mean of the 2 middle values. The 2 values in the middle are 32 and 33. So my median is 32 plus 33 over 2, which gives me 32.5. Now you'll notice from our previous example, the median hasn't changed very much here. It's only shifted down a little bit. The mean has changed quite a bit more. The mean has skewed down because of those 3 lower data points, 7, 8, and 10. And that's the main difference between the mean and the median. The median is what we call a resistant measure of center, and the mean is not a resistant measure of center. What that means is the median doesn't change very much because of a few extreme data points, but the mean is susceptible to larger changes when some extreme data points are introduced, and that's exactly what's happened here. When you have small data sets like the ones we've been looking at, you can just look at the data and get an idea of what's going on. But if your data set has hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of points, you can't just look at it and figure out what's happening. The mean and the median are 2 measurements that help us begin to understand what's going on in a data set. That's it for this episode of Math Bytes. If you like our videos, why don't you subscribe to our channel? And if you'd like to ask us a question, just send us an email. We're at contactmathbytes@gmail.com. We'll see you next time.